Alright guys, this is why I season up with my chicken thighs. So this is my chicken thighs. Getting ready to go in the oven. I set the oven at 400. So everything all seasoned up. All my spices, green onions, garlic, black pepper, paprika, Caribbean spice, and Creole seasoning. So I'm gonna combine these two sauces, Hickory and Jerk barbecue. Yeah guys, so we put in this Hickory and Jerk mixed seasoning. So it's a smoky, spicy flavor we're gonna get. It's been cooking for 30 minutes. Quick and easy fried rice, guys. Alright guys, I just take this out from the oven. I want to cut a piece and see what's going on here. It's been in there for 1 hour now, right? So beautiful. Exactly 1 hour it's been in there for. So I put it at 400, right? So I'm gonna turn it off now. That's done. You know me, I want to try a piece of this anyway. Best. Very good. Nice. Now check this out. Oven baked chicken thighs, jerk and hickory sauce, and some fried rice, and a simple salad. Okay? With some sour cream on top.